Hello, families. It's Miss Gerber here, and I want to talk to you about a strategy we use in math called counting on. So, this is a really good strategy for as your student progresses from adding something like 2 plus 3. Okay, you can put 2 on one hand, 3 on the other hand, put it together, you know that you have 5. If your student is still working at this level and they're still having to kind of go like and they're not counting mentally, they're counting out how many fingers they have up, then keep them there, but push them slowly to try and do like 4 and 4, 4 and 5, because what we want to do is slowly push your student over the edge to where they can do combinations like 6 plus 4 and recognize that that's 10. Even though you can do that on your fingers like this, 6 and 4, there's an easier and quicker way to do it, and we call it counting on. So this is how we say it in the classroom, and I spoke about it in the packets, but I just wanted to give you a couple of examples and some practice so that you and your student could work on it at home. So counting on means that if, for example, you say 8 plus 2, instead of going all the way like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, 1, 2, instead of starting over from 0 or 1, you are going to take the bigger number, in this case 8, pop it in your head, hold it in there, 8, and the other number was 2, so I need to add 2 more. I'm not going to go 8, 1, 2, no, because I already started at 8. Mentally, I've already counted to 8. So 8, 9, 10. Okay, I've counted 2 more numbers. I realize that I've gone to 10. And that is a way where kids can still use their fingers, but it's a more effective way because you can basically count on and solve any addition problem. You could say, what's 31 plus 2? And you just hold 31 in your head. 31, 32, 33, and you'd be able to get the answer. So counting on can be a really complicated skill, even though as adults it might seem a little bit more straightforward. Kids this age are moving from the physical and the concrete to being able to solve mental math problems, and this is a bridge to that. So don't get frustrated if your student is not able to do it. Just practice it with them, but don't push yourselves to the point of rejecting it or feeling super frustrated. It's a tool, it's an option, it's something that will get more important as they get older, but it's not something that you have to master with them right now if it's really not going well. So I'll give you another example. So say I ask for 4 plus 3. So I would go 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try it again. Can you count that with me? Put 4 in your head, 4, and then let's do 3 more. 5, 6, 7. Okay, now I'm going to give you a little bit of a tricky one, all right? So let's try 1 plus 6. Which number should we put in our heads first? 1 or 6? Which number goes in our heads? Were you thinking 6 because it's the bigger number? Yes, 6. Then how many fingers are we going to put up? Just 1, right? 6. Did you say 7? Yeah, 6, 7. That's exactly how we count on. 6 plus 1 lands us on 7. And there's going to be another video about number lines, and this is kind of tied into that thinking, but kids can count on before they start working with number lines. So I will leave you with a challenge problem, okay? If you feel ready to go beyond 10, this is a good problem for you, okay? So 9 plus 4. So hold the 9 in your head. Then you go. What did you get?